Of everybody that needs to be kicked out, it wasn't the dog.
You gotta hustle. Let's go, Young. Come on, come on. Keep it going, keep it going. Let's go, Young. Come on, come on. I don't want to see no lollygagging. Definitely no lollygagging.
There's no place for lollygagging.
I don't want to see that. No, that's unacceptable.
You'll be running laps afterwards.
No lolly, no gag.
Nice, nice. Great, let's cross that. Get ready, get ready.
Ooh, ooh. He had a better view than me.
That was definitely a push.
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
There was
I don't know if it was for sure. I just saw the girl fly, so I assumed it was a push.
Hey, Jay.
All right.
Good try.
Way to follow through, Sienna. Nice try, Jade.
Give me one, Jay. I need one.
Santa's so confused because yesterday you didn't have to get all the way back when you threw the ball in.
Yeah, you did. When
And now we have to.
These rules are wild.
Yeah, then when it was a punt.
Let's get it.
Woo! Get there. Oh, that would have been amazing.
Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up.
Don't let her pass you, Maddie. Don't let her pass you. Yes,
Maddie.
Woo!
Okay, Maddie.
There you go, baby. Come on. Good pressure, SSA.
They go London.
No bunching up, no bunching up. London
Shoot it,
got
London.
it.
Shoot it,
London's
London.
got it.
Ah.
Come on, get it back. Hustle, hustle, come on. There
Eddie
you go.
Crab, watch your shoulder.
pushed her, like right in front of her.
Let's go, keep going, come on.
Matt.
Get it back, get it back.
Coach that said that. Yeah.
What'd he say?
He said call it both ways, please. Yeah.
I need one, Jay.
Okay.
I need one. I
Ready,
smell it.
Sienna? Run, check in, run
Come
out.
on, come on, come on. Check in. Come on, get there.
There you go, come on.
Nice, nice.
Jordan doesn't say much to the rest typically, so if he's saying something,
That's okay, guys. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
just get the next one, ref. It's all right. Now it's red ball.
Turn around.
It's just like the kids, you know. It's like get the next one. It's all right. You get the next one right.
Nice job.
I believe in you. Oh, Maddie, what a
Way
cross!
to go, Jay. Nice ball, Maddie.
Put your hands down.
Nice.
There we go. Thank you, ref. Yeah, but only after she got pushed. Come on. Yeah, thank you. Wait, but he gave it to them?
No, it's not. I thought it was out. Is it?
He was just talking to him. Yeah, he was warning him.
Okay.
I
so
like
no
that he's
call.
talking though.
Okay.
Too many times they just don't say anything. Get him, Jordan. Get him, Jordan.
Let's go, yeah.
Let's go, Jordan.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's charge that.
And go, go, go. Come on. Let's go, see.
Big
Don't let
kick.
her pass you. Don't let her pass you. Yes.
Oh,
Come on, you got it. You
Get,
got
that's
it.
yours,
You
that's
got
yours,
it.
that's
You got
yours.
it. Go.
They're on you. They're on you.
3 feet. It's all right. It's all right.
Nice hustle.
All right, just get ready. Get set up.
I don't think Nan can play the ball at all. She has to play.
Get it back. Get it downfield. Come on.
Help
her out.
her.
Help her out. Good help, CC. There you go.
Oh, geez. Good job, yeah?
Nice.
Good job, yeah?
Hands down. Nice, you did.
He just talked to you.
Yeah.
The other coach. Yeah.
Nice.
Come on. There you go, Abby.
That's it.
Oh, ball. Good ball.
Go, 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 give up. Go, give up.
Nice try, Sienna.
Maddie, on you, Maddie.
I mean, that was clean, though. She came in clean that time. That's ours.
Nice running. Good job.
Go, SSA.
Maddie, your ball.
Maddie's ball, Maddie's ball.
She's like, I just need a breath. 1 second, y'all.
Hey, Max, remember the stop.
We're back to that?
We alternate.
Okay.
Let's get up.
Go,
Sienna,
go,
go, go.
That's that lucky shoelace, though. She gotta leave that out.
There you go. Go, run, Oscar. Quick, quick, quick.
Shoelace, say Max shoelace.
There you go.
Real fast,
I'm a
though.
little tired, but come on.
Oh,
Okay, she's
that
ready.
was so
Thank
nice.
you.
That's supposed to do that. That's very nice. Now everyone's out of shit. Let's burn more time.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ref.
All right, go. Come on, hustle. Quick, quick, quick. There you
Now!
go. Go, quick, quick.
Look up. Good idea. Good idea.
Good that.
Cece, way to take your shots, girl.
Way to take a shot.
Remember to look up. Charge, she's charging.
All right, come
Yeah,
on.
yeah, it's already halfway
Again,
there.
again.
Get in there.
That's yours. That's
Come on,
yours.
Jane. Go, Jane. Come on.
Go middle. Oh,
All right.
good idea. Ooh.
All right, come on.
She ran into me.
I mean, it's not her fault that she's a brick wall. Right.
I like that play.
London yelled at the other parent.
All right, come on. Let's be aggressive
They just
again.
have to
Let's
keep
keep up the
I was like,
momentum.
oh, God.
We need
Okay,
another
one.
goal. Let's go.
Nice.
Go,
Nice.
Go, Jane.
Come on, Jane. Run it.
Oh, Jane, great shot. Jane, great
Great shot, Jade.
Sienna, same thing.
Sienna, keep running in. Don't stare at it.
Take away the channels.
Don't
Take away the
stare at
channels.
Let's go. Move. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. We need 10 more. Let's go.
Max it. You're 8 under your quota.
Come on. Yeah, no, way under the quarter.
Let her take it. Let her go.
Talk to each other, girls. Come on, Maddie. Get it back.
Now, would she have been offsides? Because we don't have a build out line, so.
Way to take it out, London.
Let's stay down.
Hey, Abby. London, good pressure.
Quick, Matt.
Go, come on.
Good idea.
That's all right.
Shake it off, Cece.
That's good. All right, let's get
Foot
back.
came up completely.
An opportunity here. Come on. Get it back.
Handball.
Get it back.
Run.
No, she's on. Go.
Run, Sienna. She has it. Let her pass to you. Stay on sides.
Run, Sienna, but not that far. What about the foul? Elbow to the face, ref.
Same strategy, SSA.
Come on. Gotta be ready to pounce. Let's go. All right, come on, quick. Hey.
Now.
Get up there. Beautiful. Come on, keep it going.
Oh, Cece. Oh.
Come on.
Full extension.
Come on. Get it back.
Oh, Maddie missed.
That's all right, Maddie. That's all right.
Get her, Maddie. Yes!
Come on, get it out. Let's go. Come on, Russell. What are we doing?
Maddie, great job. Probably usually to the brothers. Yeah. This is putting girls.
Oh, you fouled him. Totally fouled. Mark somebody.
I didn't see it. I guess I didn't see it.
What?
Free kick for something. I don't know. He called a foul.
Number 2.
Maddie.
Okay, whatever.
Jordan's saying offsides about something. I don't know.
Nice.
Relax.
Thank you, Jesus.
Go, go, go. Come on. Hustle. I want to see some hustle. I'm not seeing it.
Nice.
Come on.
Okay, let's go, Yadira.
Come on.
Stop.
Go, yeah.
Shoot it, girl.
That was it.
Yeah, great run.
Nice hustle, Yaya.
Great run, Yadira.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
You'll get it. You'll get it. Shake it
You'll
up.
get it, Yadira. Yours is coming.
You're putting in the work. Good job,
Nice
Yadira.
hustle,
Way to go, Sienna.
Yadira. Way to play, Yadira. All right, let's go, Greer.
Yadira's all heartbroken.
She is, yeah.
I hate it when I see these girls cry.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. But that means that there's 4 of them out here.
nice.
Somebody's wide open.
Nice,
Come
man.
on, let's keep pushing.
Greer.
Go, go, go.
That wasn't.
Close enough.
All right, Gray, let's go. Ready, you ready? It's yours. Nice.
Go, come on. Get it out, get it out. Come
Come on,
on.
Maddie.
Nice.
There we go, throw.
Oh.
That's all right, same thing. Let's do it again. What? That was off her knee, man.
That's okay. Just be there. Ready? Ready?
No, he has a terrible knee. That's why, again, you need ARs.
Come on, come on. Go, there you go, go. Go, London. You got it, London. Come on, take it in. Take
Coming
it
in with an elbow, ref. Come on. It's ridiculous.
All right, come on, let's go.
Gotta play the ball.
Let's see more movement. Come on.
Move it around. Good job, Jade.
Nice touch.
Come on, come on, come on.
You gotta get that.
Y'all gotta get it out.
Come on. Go, go,
Nice.
Come on. Go, Jake.
Gosh, Greer's wide open, girls. Get it to him.
Look at Greer.
Call it both ways, ref. I didn't even see that.
There you go.
Come on, Jake.
Get it back.
Come on.
Come on. There you go, Maddie. Let's go, G. Let's go. Get your ball. Come on. Let's go, Greer.
It's all right, throw it.
We'll get it back. Don't give us what you
Come on, come on.
Come on, G.
Help her, help her.
Right there, Evan.
Go, go.
Come on, Ev.
Come on, help her. Get in there.
They have 7 girls in the box, man.
Go, Alexa. Go, Alexa.
That's yours,
Go,
London.
London. There you go,
Jake,
come
pull
on.
it.
Come on, get a shot. There you go, take it.
Watch her go.
Ref,
Let her cook.
full extension,
Let
ref.
her cook.
9 is fully extending. Good Lord. Corner.
There you go, Abby. Come on.
Corner.
Let's go, Red.
All right, London, let me get one.
All right, ladies, find your shot.
You ready? Let's go, London.
Find your shot. Find your shot.
Perfect placement.
Oh, Evie. Get the next one, Ev. Evie, get the next one.
Kayla wants to know how much time is left.
15. Oh, I'm sorry. We're at 15, so 10.
Take a strike, no tipping at the body pad. Nice. There you go.
Oh my God.
Hey, 9, don't call fouls. 9 can't be calling fouls. Let's be honest. That's funny.
Come on, girls, keep following those kicks.
All right, let's go. Come on. Get up there. Get it back. Get it back. Come on, come on. Keep it going, keep it going.
He can't call that one because she's smaller.
Go, go.
Go, Jay.
It doesn't count. You got to be bigger.
Is that for real?
No. Total crap. Right. Exactly.
Go, Jade.
Come on, there you go, Jade.
Jade.
Pass.
Finally, we get one. About time. I guess it has to be that blatant before he'll call it for us. Yeah, burn some time, Abby. I mean, tie your shoe. All right, Ev.
I need one, Emily. I need one.
Yeah, get around the.
Come on. Clearly pushing.
Nice head release.
Come on. Honey.
Good ball.
Come on.
Good ball. Good ball.
Play ball. Come on, Mad. Yes.
Come on,
Mad
come on.
again.
Let's keep it going.
Let it go. Let it go. Goal kick.
But I'd like it. I'd like a 34.
Ooh, London.
Oh, no. Come on.
It's all right. It's all right.
Come on.
It's all right.
Don't bunch up,
Come
girls.
on. Need some more.
Is that in?
This is 2. Come on. I'll take 2.
Nice playing, Everly.
Nice
Way to
play,
go.
Everly.
Way to go, Jay. Way to go, Abby.
Way to go.
Y'all talk.
Talk to each other.
Get back.
Nope.
That's yours.
Abigail, come out.
Keep following. Yes.
Good job. Make him go back. Keep pressing, Hoover.
Just wait, Abby.
Wait till I get
All right, now you can go.
Check him up. That's good. Go, go, go. Come on, hustle.
There you go,
Come on, we're
Cece.
slowing down. I don't like it.
There you go, Mad.
Come on. Go.
Push it up. Push it up.
Go.
Whoa!
Hey.
Ref, just because she doesn't fall doesn't mean it's not a foul. That's insane. I didn't call you a
Called
name.
your name.
Nobody called you a name, sir.
Called you a name.
Nobody called you a name. No one.
You said ref.
No one called you a name. Are you kidding me? Who called him a name?
I mean, is ref a name?
I mean, that is his name. I don't know his name. His name's Ref.
Come on, London.
That's all right, London. Keep going.
Come on, girls.
Talk to each other. Talk.
You guys are bunching up.
Good.
Come on, SSA. We play better than
God.
that.
Oh, yeah. London tried to foul. Because London touched her.
Are you kidding me? Are you joking? That is some bull crap.
Mr. Ref, sir.
Absolute bull. Let's go, Abby.
Boo! Hey, that's okay, SSA, let's go!
Nobody was talking to you, man. Why are you getting angry? Nobody was asking you. Shut
What'd
your
she
mouth.
say?
She said shut your mouth about the ref.
Oh my God. What energy! Energy, Red! Don't give up! Let's go, let's go! Let's go, Red.
All right, girls, we'll get it back.
Quick!
We're going to get it back.
Come on, quick.
They win it. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on, get it back.
Nope.
Don't bunch up. Don't bunch up.
Nice.
Get it, man!
Handball.
Go, Abby. There you go, come on.
Nice, Everly. Nice job.
Pass it
Come
off.
on,
Pass
come
it
on,
off.
keep going.
Pass it off.
Keep going.
Oh, yeah. Come on. They look at me.
How much time do we have left?
3-ish minutes. Why is the ref? Why is the coach going to call out of bounds?
Home team advantage?
Yeah.
It's okay. Let's play our game, Swarm. We got this.
You ready, Maddie?
Go,
Okay,
Abby.
push up, push up, push up. Look at her, look at her. Let's go, G.
Nice pass.
There you go.
Stop.
Turn on it, turn on it. Stay on the ball.
You ready, Red? You ready, man? Keep it down here. Yes, Maddie. Don't give up, don't give up.
Nice.
Come on.
Nice, come on.
Go, Alexa. Get to it.
Talk to each other.
Come on, get a good pass. Pass it away.
Big hit.
Quick. Come on.
Girls talk. Good Lord.
Oh.
Don't leave those out.
No! Yeah, get it out! No!
Abby's got to call them.
Come on, let's wake
Yeah,
up.
let's get them in.
Wake up, Red.
Let's get Sienna out of back, please.
I don't see enough hustle. Come on.
Let's go, Red!
Get ready.
Come on, Red, get this out! Get this out, Red!
Amex, I want one more.
Get ready, Abby. Get it out. Come on, let's get it downfield. Let's go.
Get in there, Jay!
Go,
Jay,
go,
Jay!
go.
Go, Jay!
Come on, go, London. Get it, London. There you go.
It's gotta almost be over.
Mark up.
We're at 24.
Come on, Red, finish strong!
Get to the ball.
Sienna, move.
Finish strong, SSA. There you go.
She fell because she came in so
Go,
hard.
Sienna, go.
Sienna, go. Go, Sienna, go.
Use your back, use your back.
Rev, really?
They're using body. Go, go, Sienna.
That's fine.
Nice.
There we go. Let's go.
Let's go! Keep it up, Red!
Yeah.
Keep it up!
There you go, Red.
Come on, Red, keep it
All
down.
right, this is it.
Come on, the middle, Maddie.
Don't bunch up.
Yeah, Red, let's go.
Sienna, don't talk. Sienna, don't talk. Use your feet to talk.
What'd she say? I didn't even say.
She said stop pushing or something. Don't even engage with them. Just play your game.
She threw it, but yeah. He let her have another one. I appreciate that.
Nice, thank you. Big hit. There we go. That's yours, London. That's yours, London.
No, yeah, call that. London had the better angle there.
London should have said it's mine. When I know I have a better play, I scream. It's mine.
You have to be selfish
You
sometimes.
do.
There's a thin line, team player, and sometimes you just got to make the call. No.
Oh!
Thank you.